Cracker Boys Marina, Fort Pierce, Florida, looking at this swim platform. I brought a boat in yesterday that had a very soggy, wet swim platform, probably from backing into pilings too many times. I'm not going to say one too many times, I'm going to say 100 too many times. This is the bottom, and you can see we've got a plywood edge over here, and Roger explained to me that these bolt holes are where that bolted onto the bracket on the back of the boat. This was all balsa wood. You can see the balsa right here. This is kind of dry, but a lot of the other balsa was soaking wet. You can see where it's dug out, dug out, dug out. And this was a former repair, not really a good repair, because they just put a lot of fiberglass resin in there. You can see some wet stuff they have not dug out yet here. Another bracket, bracket, and bracket. They have to dig out all of the old stuff, fit the new structural foam. Don't want to use the word styrofoam. Put it all together, epoxy it together, not polyester or polyvinyl resin, but epoxy resin. Put it all together structurally, flip it over, fix the cracks on the top side, and then paint it before putting it back on board the boat. If you have any questions about fiberglass repair work, ask Captain Chris or Roger.